Hey everybody, it's Adrian here. Welcome to another video. This time I recorded the process of one of my latest paintings, which is based on a dream that I had, which was a couple of weeks ago. You know, it took me a while to put this video together and to record everything, but I'm finally here. I'm putting this out for you guys, and I wanted to kind of narrate the process a little bit. So yeah, this is, as I said, it's based on a dream that I had, which, I mean, don't ask. I just woke up and said, the fuck was that? Was that alien reference, bro? So you guys will see how, you know, even in the line sketch that by the way, I just sat down one day and I said, yo, remember that dream? Okay, let's kind of give it a try. I sat down, I sketched something like a pretty relaxing kind of environment, you know. So I just did that, and I felt like I might continue this. So I gave it a try. The next morning, I dropped some values in there. As you're seeing right now, I'm kind of deciding what the shape of that creature was. I remember it was like, you know, it had the head of like an alien queen, like from the movie Alien, that sort of xenomorph design. And then I remember that it had like tentacles in a way, like floating in the air and behind and stuff like that. And bro, I really need to tell you guys about this place, because it was feeling like ancient Egypt architectural kind of elements all around, you know, like those huge pillars, but you know, the mood was very different than the one that I chose here. The colors were super cold, and yeah, man, I just remember this thing. Like, we were running towards the camera, you know. I mean, I had to place like a camera here for the painting, you know, for you guys to just look into this world. But in this scene, in my dream, this was obviously like first person view. So I remember turning around, looking behind, and seeing this thing kind of running towards us. You know, it was giant, it was huge. So that's why I put some little people in there for a better understanding of the scale and all that stuff. So again, here I'm deciding like the pose a little bit. I initially thought of, here's like the tails, which ended up, yeah, not being in the final shot. But this is not 100% accurate to what I dreamed of, because see, this is where I'm kind of dropping some color in there. That warm color, that fire thing underneath, that's just for visual purposes, to kind of pop the contrast a little more. It was not in my dream, but it looks dope on this painting. So instead of going for that monotone kind of vibe, I decided to kind of help a little bit by pushing those contrast points. And those things you see on the sides were meant to be like ships, I remember, in my dream. But yeah, I thought that maybe I would just leave them as simply like pieces of architecture that may have fallen or something. Here I'm kind of trying some, you know, other architectural elements like those pillars, and I try to give it like a magical sense with those floating triangles or pyramids on top, which, by the way, those would be pretty small, you know, considering like the perspective and all that stuff. Here you can see how I'm correcting some of those values. I'm improving the contrast of the image, just finishing those details here and there. You know, I kept this as a sketch. Like, if you zoom in, there's no detail, right? I just wanted the idea. I just wanted to have fun, right? So I just sat down after a long time of not painting anything, and I made this piece, and it really brought me back into the joy of like painting and stuff. It's not that I didn't want to paint, it's just that I felt, I don't know, it's been I mean, we definitely need to catch up on lots of stuff that have been happening so far, but yeah, this was like a way to come back for me. So I hope you guys like this. I may release like the full length episode at some point, or maybe make a more extended tutorial or something talking about this. I don't know. You guys let me know in the comments. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next episode. I'm gonna leave you now with the final image. Okay, thank you so much, and see you next time. Bye bye.